to our Facebook Live seminar this afternoon. Study, live, and migrate to Australia. So, sa mga client po natin nagbabalak pumunta ng Australia this year, we have two upcoming intakes. We have July and October. And for July, we have benefits of no show money and no IELTS sa affiliated school po namin sa Parramatta. So, sa mga gustong mag-easy and basic na processing, here in Accentrics, no IELTS, no show money needed for July intake. So why Australia? Bakit nga ba Australia? So we have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So number one, listed in best country to live. So kasama po ang Australia. Nalista po ang Australia sa pinaka best country para matumira or magbumuo na pamilya. Better job prospect, maraming magagandang opportunity when it comes to job. Maraming mga better na mga like salary, highest paid salary na match sa ating um, work prescription. So, healthier food, listed one of the highest salary. So, one of the best country in the world. So, pumapangatlo po ang Australia sa pinakamataas na average salary sa buong mundo. Number 7, best country in the world. Number 9, best country to raise a family. And of course, as a Filipino, kailangan natin pairalin natin pagiging sigurista. So, Australia is listed, of course, as the safest country in the world. Let's proceed sa ating navigating the top paying IT careers in Australia this year, 2024. So we have data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software engineering, and AI and machine learning. For data science, here are some of the highest paid data science job in 2024. So we have machine learning engineer, data scientist, data engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing or NLP engineer, at ang kanilang annual income, its jobs. For cybersecurity, we have Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architect, Penetration Tester, Security Engineer, Security Consultant. And for cloud computing, we have Cloud Solution Architect, Cloud Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, DevOps Engineer, and Cloud Data Engineer. For software engineering, we have Software Development Manager, Site Reliability Engineer, Full Stack Developer, Mobile Software Developer, Blockchain Developer. For AI and machine learning, we have Chief AI Officer, AI Architect, AI Product Manager, AI Ethics Specialist, and AI Research Scientist. As you can see sa screen, ang kanilang annual income, its jobs. So, sobrang laki. So, they have better job prospects when it comes nasa Australia na po kayo. So, how to find and apply for a job? Paano po kayo maghanap ng trabaho? First, kahit nasa bahay po kayo ngayon nanonood, you can legit check. Pwede nyo pong i-copy-paste yung link na ito. www.sick.com.au. Kahit nasa bahay kayo ngayon, use your mobile, laptop, or any technology there. You can copy this link. Then you can search on your own na legit po ang www.sick.com.au. Dito po tayo pwede maghanap ng trabaho na fit as a student visa holder. So once nakahanap na po kayo ng trabaho, you can apply for www.linkedin.com. It's less hassle because hindi na po kayo pupunta sa company, agency, HR, or sa workplace mismo. You can apply for www.linkedin.com and have appointment interview face-to-face. So, let's proceed sa ating school's location. So, we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rates. So, we have 4 major cities in Australia. We have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. As of now, we have benefits for our affiliated school in Parramatta, which is no IELTS and no show money needed. Sobrang less hassle po siya because hindi na po tayo mahihirapan mag-provide ng ating show money sa immigration or hindi na po natin kailangan mag-take ng IELTS na minsan is nagpapadelay na ating processing ang ating application uh, to have a student visa in Australia. So what are the benefits of an Australian student visa? So first, we have study at any university in Australia. You can study at any university in Australia. Two, travel in and out of Australia as necessary. Three, work part-time during your course of study for up to 20 hours every week. Fourth, the visa permits students to work in Australia once they graduate. It's the first step towards obtaining an official job in Australia and applying for an extended stay. Last one, as dependents under your student visa, your spouse and children may accompany you to Australia. Pwede po kayong magsama under your student visa if may anak na po kayo, if you have live-in partner, husband, fiancé, and long-term boyfriend, pwede nyo po sila isama as under your student visa. And take note, if couple po kayo pupunta sa Australia, take note that your partner have a full-time work permit. Let's proceed sa ating part-time jobs for international students in Australia. Marami po yung pwede pag-applyan na fit as a student visa holder. Here are just example. So we have barista, bartender, server, hotel and hotel job, and fruit picking. Unlimited work rights. So last year, June 30, 2023, nag-end po ang unlimited work rights. So we hope so this year, June, magbaba ulit ang isang Australian government ng unlimited work rights dahil sobrang laking tulong po nito as a student visa holder if you have unlimited work rights. Sa ating mga viewers, if you have any question, just drop down your question, then I'll answer it right away. You must have sufficient funds. So, ito po, kailangan lang po nating patunayan ang ating sarili sa Australian government. Dito na po yung part na yun is yung immigration. It's just an online platform. Kailangan lang po nating ilagay dyan or yung ating capacity or kailangan po nating ipakita sa immigration na we have sufficient funds na kaya po nating sustentuhan o tustusan ang ating sarili sa total period na pagstay natin sa Australia, like living expenses, tuition fee, and other expenses once you arrive at Australia. So, what are the typical reasons of rejection? So, ano nga ba ang mga typical reason kung bakit tayo nare-reject? So, first in the list is health declaration. So, once you have blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy or other, once you have this kind of health declaration, pwede po kayo ma-auto-denied, auto-rejection. So, we advise always sa aming mga clients, once you have this kind of condition, kailangan po nyo magpa-treatment first. Or once you apply for a visa, a student visa, you need first totally fit para wala pong conflict sa ating along the processing way. Actually,